Morning, peeps.
Where are we?
Near Leeming somewhere. Leeming Bar?
Leeming Bar.
Leeming Bar.
So, good morning. We're off again. Up north to Northumberland, along the coast there. Have a little bimble around and then we'll make a decision from there whether we stay in Northumberland or we go to
Scotland.
In our lifetimes on this planet, what together we can do, north and south, east and west, in all corners of the earth.
Take me away from home. Show me all the places I've never known. And we'll
We're cheating just a little bit here. All the stuff in the camper and we'll come into the docks. It is early in the morning. We're at Leeming and we're on our way to Northumberland. So we're just coming for a quick walk in Alnwick in Northumberland before heading out towards the coast. It's bloody cold. So once again we struggle with our pronunciations of towns. This time we're at Alnwick. So we're still looking around Alnwick and we're going to go and find quite a famous bookshop and then we'll take a little bimble around the castle. The weather's closing in, it's really cold and Claire's looking at jewellery. So I've been told about this by a friend of mine, and he'll know who he is. He said there's loads of good place to come have a little adventure around the second-hand bookshop. Lots of books.
Well, we are at Alnwick Castle, otherwise known as Hogwarts.
That trait myself and Claire have of turning up in France into a village at around 12 o'clock midday when everything's shut. Well, the whole castle's shut. It's not open till March, so we've made a bit of a boo-boo there, haven't we?
We're a bit late there.
We're a little bit late, but it means we can come back.
That's a long lunch out.
Yeah. Let's go and open the door.
Go and knock on it.
Tried, but they just wouldn't let me in. Evidently you need a broomstick. See what time it is. Onesie time. So in earnest we probably start the adventures tomorrow, but it's meant to be atrocious weather, so we'll just have to see how we get on there. Claire's tidying up and there's Claire in her onesie. They're not the most flattering of things, are they?
I don't know what you're talking about. They look lovely.
And you lot are going to agree to that, aren't you?
Yep. Maybe.
Right. So it's winter. It's dark outside already. Got dark about 4:30, 4:45. I'm quite tired after the drive up yesterday. So I think we're going to have an easy night tonight. And guys, we cheated. We are on a caravan and camping site. We cheated a little bit. Why did we cheat?
Because there was no parking where we wanted to stop.
£22 a night. Dunstan Hill Camping and Caravanning Club site. So we'll stay here for tonight. So the weather's meant to be bad tomorrow. We're going to have a look. Probably go and have a look at the castle, and then we'll push on somewhere else.
But now Tony's going to make a cup of tea, and then we're going to play Ludo.
Tony's not making a cup of tea. Tony's just made dinner.
I made the cup of tea before.
You can make the cup of tea. It's your job.
It's your turn. Good morning. So we're not quite sure what to do today. The weather is a bit miserable and grey, and we've looked at the weather forecast and it's supposed to get worse. So it's not ideal for the photography that we were going to do today. So we're just having a look to see where we can wander around.
Yeah, a bit of bimbling today. Not too sure where. The weather looks a bit rubbish. It's going to get evidently a lot worse. So we'll see. We'll go for a bimble somewhere. I wanted to go and take some pictures of the castle today, but I don't think that's going to happen. There you go. Life in a van, eh? One thing you can't predict: the weather outside.
We still have several severe flood warnings out across the rivers in England, and there are more details on whether that affects you on our website, and we'll be keeping a close eye because already we've more rain to come this week.
Well, change of plan, people. The weather's meant to be like this for the next 2 or 3 days on the Northumberland coast, and as we predominantly come up here to do a bit of photography, we're not going to get a look in. So with that in mind, I don't think we're going to be able to avoid the weather, but we're heading north, and we're heading northwest towards Scotland. And then what we're going to hopefully do is come back this way in a week's time and spend a couple of days on Northumberland coast on the way back home. So, see you on the road. So we're just taking a small break from driving. We're at Doune Castle, so we're going to go have a look around. A bit wet and dark and miserable out there, but we'll take you with us and we'll go and see Doune Castle. So I'll just crash the van into Adrian's wall there.
He didn't see it. It's been stood nearly 200 years, that wall, maybe a bit longer. And Tony tried to take it out with our van.
Rear bumper. Luckily the checker plate took the brunt of it and we were going relatively slow.
And the
But
wall
we did
won.
stop rather quick. There you go. So, Doune Castle. Doune Castle is a medieval stronghold in the district of Stirling, central Scotland. Originally built in the 13th century, it was rebuilt in the 14th century following the Scottish War of Independence. The castle passed to the crown in 1425 and was used as a royal hunting ground. By the 19th century, the castle laid in ruin, but restoration work started in 1880 before passing into state care and is now being restored by Historic Environment Scotland. I think this is going to do us for tonight. We're going to stop here. We're under a tree, so it's still raining. What's she doing at the front?
I'm telling everybody where our park up is. I'm
Oh.
showing them where our park up is.
There you go.
Tonight.
Oh, what?
Can you guess what Claire's laughing at?
You can't see me.
I'll tell you what she's laughing at. I forgot to put the cupboard in. There. It's funny, we've not had this fan. Well, actually, we've had this fan quite a while now.
Yeah, we've had him for a little while.
Had him for well over a year. But we've had that cupboard for about 10 minutes in my mind. And that 10 minutes I totally forgot about.
But what's really funny is because he told me off when I banged my head.
Yeah, because you had the cupboard I just made.
You were so... Well, it's been there for ages.
It's now time to get heads down. So, night night.
Night.
We'll see you in the morning. Good morning. I'm afraid I'm filming this bit on my phone. There you go, there's Claire in the background there doing her makeup.
Morning.
Not bad view for a morning. It chilled down a little bit last night, but not as much as we expected it to. So the plan for today is we're going to head west toward the coast.
Haggis. Sausage and haggis. So it's the falls of Dockhartin. Tea rooms, basically.
Yeah, get yourself in there and ask for a haggis sausage roll. Absolute stunning. So still on making our way down to Glencoe, and then we came across this.
You ain't